Patio doors do more than connect your indoor and outdoor spaces. They play a vital role in comfort, security, energy efficiency, and overall home value. While it may be tempting to choose a basic option, investing in high-quality patio doors delivers long-term benefits that make a noticeable difference. For homeowners in Glendale, where weather conditions and lifestyle needs place extra demands on doors, quality matters. Designed to withstand Glendale's climate, homes in Glendale experience intense sun exposure and high temperatures for much of the year. Low-quality patio doors may fade, warp, or lose their seal under constant heat. High-quality patio doors are built with durable materials that resist heat-related damage and maintain their performance over time. For Glendale homeowners, this durability ensures patio doors continue to function smoothly and look great despite prolonged sun exposure. Improved energy efficiency and cost savings. Energy efficiency is one of the most important benefits of high-quality patio doors. Well-insulated frames and advanced glass options help reduce heat transfer, keeping indoor temperatures stable. In Glendale homes, this means less reliance on cooling systems and lower energy bills. Over time, energy savings help offset the initial investment and contribute to long-term value. Enhanced comfort and noise reduction. High-quality patio doors provide better insulation against outdoor noise. Thicker glass, tighter seals, and solid frames help block unwanted sound, creating a more comfortable indoor environment. For Glendale homeowners, this added comfort improves everyday living, especially in busy neighborhoods or areas with outdoor activity. Smooth operation and lasting performance. Low-quality patio doors often develop issues such as sticking, misalignment, or hardware failure. High-quality doors are engineered for smooth operation and long-term reliability. In Glendale homes, investing in better patio doors reduces the need for frequent repairs and ensures consistent performance for years. Increased security and peace of mind. Security is a key consideration for patio doors. High-quality models feature reinforced frames, strong locking systems, and impact-resistant glass options. For Glendale homeowners, these features provide added protection while maintaining visibility and style. Boosting home value and market appeal. Updated patio doors can significantly enhance a home's appeal. Buyers often value features that improve energy efficiency, comfort, and security. In Glendale's competitive housing market, high-quality patio doors can increase resale value and help homes stand out. Low maintenance and long-term durability. High-quality patio doors are designed to require minimal maintenance. Durable finishes resist fading, peeling, and corrosion. For Glendale homeowners, this means long-lasting performance without constant upkeep. A smart investment for Glendale homes. Investing in high-quality patio doors delivers lasting value through improved comfort, efficiency, security, and appearance. For Glendale homeowners, this upgrade enhances daily living while protecting the long-term value of their home, making it a smart and worthwhile investment.